Welcome! In this video I will show you how you can apply tempered glass on your iPhone. In this case I'm using iPhone XR. So at the first you have to prepare the good source of light to see a very mess that you have on your screen. As you can see here I got a lot of fingerprints and other mess. So let's open box with our tempered glass, and inside we can find wet and the dry wipes. Let's use the wet one at the first. And sometimes happen that the wet comes dry. And what you have to do, you can use something like the window cleaner and just put it on the wipe and then clean your screen. You can make moves and a circle. Remember to reach a very edge, a very corner on your display. It's very important. As you can see right now it looks much better, and when you make it, you have to go for the dry one. So let's open it. Let's do the same. Okay, and right now, when it's finished, you can also use a paper towel. And as you can see, there is the difference when you use the paper towel, here without and here with. Okay, and as you can see, right now our display looks really nice. And we have to get rid of that small piece of the dust from the display. So let's use the dry wipe and try to move it to one of the corner. Just like that. If we leave something like the piece of the dust on the display and put on it tempered glass, we will get air bubbles. So of course we don't want to get it here. Okay, and what I could say that right now it looks really good. So let's grab our tempered glass. As you can see, here's mine. So it will be looks like that. We have to take off this sticker, and it will follow with foil on the opposite side. But sometimes it happens that this sticker doesn't follow with this foil, and you have to remove this foil manually. You have to use your fingernail and put it into the corner under this foil, just like that, and remove it manually. So let's take it off. Take a look one more time on your display. In my case, something is still here, so I'm going to take it off. Just like that. You can also use the duct tape to take off this dust from the screen. And right now, you can just put it like that. You can turn on your screen to make better position of your tempered glass. Okay, I think that right now it looks good. Yeah, so let's put it just like that. And as you can see, it goes almost automatically, so we don't even have to do anything. We can for sure swipe with our finger to make it faster, but there it is. As you can see, it comes from the edge to the edge. And right now we have to use our wipe and press a little bit on our display to get rid of those things. So let's start. And if you are wondering what kind of tempered glass I use, it's very cheap. It's from the Amazon. We bought it for like $1 or something like that, or $2. So it's not expensive, it's very cheap, but it definitely protects from the scratches and also from the breaks. So it's worth to get it, definitely. And as you can see, after a few moments, we can press power key and we can simply use our device. As you can see, we don't have any problem with the touch interaction, so everything works fine. So we don't have to be afraid of install this simple flat version of tempered glass on your display. And here we can put on it our case, and right now our smartphone is protected very well. And if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment, and of course subscribe to our channel.